Yes, let's get all the light we need. Look at that, guys. Man, oh man. Here we go. Slicing. Slicing into it right here. See how this is gonna work, more or less. Check that out, guys. Check it out. Look at that. That's what we want. That is what we want. That is good brisket. Moist. Look at it. Oh my God. I could just check this out. Oh, wow. Man, oh man. Let's go ahead and go in for the taste test. I know I got my little camera right here, but it's okay. We can go for it anyways. Check this out. It's one good brisket. That's awesome. Man, what's up, boy? What's up? You want some? I know you do. You're gonna get some too. Come here, boy. Come here. Here you go. Come on. There you go. Lala, where'd you go? Man. This is a good brisket, guys. I'm my biggest critic. If something doesn't come out good, I won't share it. I won't put it out there. I won't post it or go back in.